Nope, nope, nope. Okay, come on through. Come on through.
Hey guys, welcome back to our cooking show. We're about to bake some stuff.
What are we gonna cook today?
Today, we're going to cook something called, I don't know, what is here to cook?
Whatever she has in the pantry. Ow!
Jeremy's hitting his head.
I just hit my head on the light.
Organic ziti. Shout out to Penny Ziti Regate.
We have never made anything before. Just so you know. Just throwing that out there. Alright, let's find a pot, because you need some pot. You always...
Like a brownie kind of deal?
You always need some pot with your noodles. Oh, I found the pots. Now, we boil the water. Can I just microwave it?
The pasta?
No, the water.
You could.
Would that be faster?
Banana cream or chocolate?
Holy frig. Alright, that's simmering.
Banana cream or chocolate?
Let's do banana cream because chocolate and noodles sounds kind of gross.
You're right, you're right.
So we'll have banana cream sounds kind of gross too, but we can have like cookies things on it. Master Chef, Chopped. If you're watching this, then subscribe.
Yeah.
Let me look at what the ingredients are. I mean the instructions.
Text fynlee. Where are brownies?
The pasta doesn't have any instructions on it. Yeah, it does.
We can Google.
Add pasta and a pinch of salt to boiling water. Cook for 11 minutes. Take your time. Take your time.
I'll work on the jello.
Good Italian pasta takes longer to cook, but you will enjoy a unique flavor when eating. All right,
good.
Let's find this.
One.
Let's find the salt. Should we put some sunscreen in it?
What's the SPF?
I hit my head again.
I'm sorry.
Pasta.
A meat beater.
We were on Omega way too long today. You always need one of these when you're making pasta.
Oh, you need this.
Dude,
you need that.
Good save.
Yeah.
This one, always need when you're cooking pasta because that stuff flies up, it can hit you in the head.
Alright guys, so I found a bowl for my mixing. Alright, so you take the packet and you pour it into the bowl. Like so. And then it says 2 cups of cold milk. So, here's a half cup, so we need 4 of these.
Look what I found.
Time for dinner.
The water is almost boiling. Boiling.
They only have soy milk.
That's okay.
Alright, so we're gonna put half a cup. So, half. 1 cup, because half plus half is 1. And then 1 1/2. 2 cups. Alright, so that's 4 half cups, 2 cups. Pudding will be soft set in 5 minutes. Now I beat it.
Dude, beat it.
5 minutes.
No, no, watch. You gotta be like, you gotta beat it. Like,
You're gonna,
like literally just.
Best if used by May 10, 2011.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. I think you added way too much milk. It shouldn't be like soupy like this.
I added 2 cups.
Hey, this is pizza sauce, not pasta sauce. Alright guys, so we have Rouse homemade. So can't wait to try this.
Makes 4.5 cup servings. Oh, note, pudding will not set if made with soy milk.
Swear. Yeah, guys, you already know what it is. We got the water over here. It's looking a little bit bubbly. And that, ladies and gentlemen, that's what you want.
Hey, can you pick up kids up from school again? Yeah, no, I'm busy. Try to make the food for the house. Fine. Doesn't have brownies.
Alright, so now we're over at the stove, as you can see. And what we're working on,
that's not boiling.
but it's almost there.
It's almost.
We are extremely close.
I don't even know what that meant.
We're extremely close to the boiling point.
No, Tatiana. I don't remember the accent of the TikTok.
Oh shoot.
Should we throw it in the freezer?
We eating good.
I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in the freezer, okay?
Oh shoot. Huh? Yeah, why not? Okay, come on through. Come on through.
Don't tell me how to do my business.
I'm gonna look up best fish recipes.
How to make fish. We don't even know how to properly prepare that.
We only had to pay $6.82.
We're gonna have to thaw it out because it was in the freezer.
Oh, these are chicken breasts.
You're an idiot. We finally got the water to a nice boil. Oh, it's splashing. Oh, frick.
Oh!
That's hot.
Oh.
Ah! I don't have enough water.
We're in.
All right, so next part of the meal, now that that's sitting, it'll be there for like 11 minutes. We got the chicken, and now we're gonna figure out what the heck we do to prepare this.
Keep in mind, we've never even made pasta.
We've never, dude, we tried to make a frozen meal that was pre-made and we couldn't even do that. So,
Fynlee's calling. Say hi to YouTube.
Huh?
Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
See you soon.
Okay, love you, bye.
All right, let me know. Oh, love you too. Oh, frick. Chicken, chicken, chicken.
are you excited?
Yeah, are you kidding me?
I've never made food like this. I'm pumped.
So
Check this out.
Dang. The pasta is ready when it is al dente.
Al dente.
Al dente. That's the- Al dente. I'm a dentist.
These noodles are freaking thick.
Oh yeah, so guys, we didn't explain this. Delaney's at a lifeguarding meeting right now. Fynlee's coming over later. Delaney has no idea we're doing this. And I don't really think Fynlee does. I think she has an idea because we want brownie mix, but she probably thinks Delaney knows.
No one knows that this is going on.
Yeah, and if they did, it probably wouldn't be going on.
All right, guys, we're back at the...
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube
All right,
channel.
guys.
Today we're doing a top 10 of all
Dude,
the...
shut up. All right, guys, so we're back at the sink.
This left one is hot.
Yeah, no duh. Get it. Get it. If
Delaney, what are they doing?
Yeah. Get the camera.
What?
Are you hungry?
I guess.
Did
Wait,
your
what
mom
is
text you?
that?
You also don't have whole milk. And it doesn't set with soy milk. It says that on the box after we use the soy milk. So, pudding in the freezer.
What is that?
It's pudding with soy milk from 2011.
Fynlee!
Oh, hi, YouTube.
All right. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got?
We're cooking. We're cooking. Woo!
Gotta be quick.
All right. Over here we got our already flour coated chicken. We're cooking it up in a pan. Never gonna be your man. All right, over here, if you follow me over to this station, this is where we're focusing on the chicken that hasn't been cooked yet. Now, what we want to do with this is make sure that we flour it up. Now, we don't have our normal everyday flour, so we have our gluten-free all-purpose rice flour blend from Betty Crocker herself. All right, so once we have that, oh no, this piece is too big. What do? Cut, 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 cut. Cut, drop, drop, flip, drop, drop, Woo! Back over here.
We're making tenders.
She's tender, but she ain't thick. Over.
Aaron, stop! Aaron, you're literally burning yourself. Also, you're making a mess.
Welcome to cheese.
Welcome to Chili's.
Welcome to Chili's. I messed it up.
No, you have to go like this. You have to go like this. Welcome to Chili. Well, or however he does it.
How does he do it?
Welcome to Chili's.
Cam said he's so loud.
Welcome to Chili's. Would you please pass me the pepper?
Straight arm challenge.
Not at the table.
Guys, you know that account.
I feel like I'm at Olive Garden.
Are you gonna try your food, Delaney?
I tried my pasta, it's cold.
Aaron?
Are we filming?
I love this meal.
You don't like it?
The only part I like about the chicken is the lime.
You good, Aaron? What do you guys rate the food?
I would say -5, but like,
Whoa, that's,
I might go up to a
that was
-2.
so harsh.
I would say it's a solid 7 3/4.
Dang, I'll take a 7 in any day.
Really?